All right, step one, find the mean of the data set. So the mean means to add them up and divide by however many pieces of data you have. So I'm going to add up 10, 13, 12, 19, and 7, and I'm going to divide them all by 5. And that comes out to be 12.2. 12.2 is the mean, which is like the first step to finding the variance and then the standard deviation. So we're going to complete the table for each piece of data. That just means that we're going to type in or write in the numbers, right? Just so you have them in front of you, nice and neat. This keeps it organized and makes it much simpler to do. So each piece of data gets its own line. And you're going to complete the table by taking away the mean. So in the first one, that just means take the piece of data and take away the mean. 10 minus 12.2. We get negative 2.2. So take a moment, pause the video, and go ahead and do that for all 5. And then check yourself, see how you did. Some of them are negative, some of them are positive. That's okay. Because when we square it, think about what that we're going to square like the first one, negative 2.2 squared. That is negative 2.2 times negative 2.2. Whoops, 2.2 times negative 2.2. There we go. And that is going to be 4.84. My point being, it's going to be positive. All of these will be positive numbers when we square it. So all are positive numbers. So take a moment, square them all, and see what you get. Pause the video. All right. And check yourself, see how you did. If you didn't get positives, you're not being in charge of your calculator, most likely. Just make sure you put parentheses there. All right, that's step 2. Let's go ahead and do step 3. Find the mean of the last column. Well, we just did the mean, so we know that for step 3, we're going to do the same process. We're going to add them up and divide by the number of pieces of data, which is still 5 things. So go ahead and do that, pause, and come back. All right. How you did when you added them all up, divided by 5, you should get the variance is 15.76. So the variance is here. And then last step, take the square root of the variance. So step 4 is to square root 15.76. And that comes out to be 3.97. All righty. There you go. Variance and square standard deviation. See you next time.